Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you the first tool that I mentioned earlier about video recording, right? In this tool, I would show you how you can take your one of the YouTube videos or any other recording that you have and then convert that video into a number of clips, right? Which you can later on to use to share on your Instagram reels, on your Facebook reels, on your other platforms like TikTok, etc., etc., right? So let's start with this. As I mentioned, this is video.ai, video.ai, and I have logged into this website. Of course, there is an option to go to upgrade version, but as you can see, I'm not on the paid version. So I have the free version where you can see I have 23 out of 75 minutes left. So that means I've already consumed more or less 2 minutes. So I can still have 23 minutes that I can use to create videos. So you can see some of my videos already mentioned here. And if you want to see what other projects or videos that I've already worked on, you can go here and look at the projects. View all projects. Okay. You could also on the left hand side menu go to like all projects, and here you can see the existing projects that I've worked upon. For example, about introducing ChatGPT mastery course that I have. It's a very interesting offer for the people that want to learn ChatGPT, what is the technology behind it, large language models, generative AI, and how become master and effective at leveraging it to your help. Yeah. And then there are other videos, so I will not go into details of these. As you can see, you can also create a new folder here and categorize or move those different related projects together. There is a brain kit. I think you will only see it after you have the upgraded version. And here you can do the planning analytics, which is coming soon. You could also see at if you connect your different accounts like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, you can link them together and then you can see how they are doing or your posts linked together. The advantage is like you take one video, you convert it here, and then you can upload the clips to see the impact. Yeah. So I have not linked yet my accounts, so that's why I'm not going into details how it would look like, but I just wanted to explain to you the menu options that you have here. Of course, at the bottom you have like get help. So if you're not sure how to work, you can click on that and you will see like, okay, how does the tool work, how to generate AI description, social preview feature. So you can also search for anything. And if we go back to home, you can again see like you have some product walkthrough. There's you can register for that, so there is some event or webinar happening. And on the right side extreme top you can see like which account you're logged in and your settings, billings, and everything like that. Yeah. Okay, so now we will go to new project, and here you have two options. You can either import directly the file from the links, that's the first option, or you can upload it from your laptop. So now, since I have already opened one of my videos that I want to divide into or split into clips, I will copy the URL and I will post it here. As you can see here, it's suggesting like what is the best import quality in terms of number of pixels, and here it is saying like what are the recommended videos I like for video podcast, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches, right? If you have any of these HDR videos, vlog, gaming videos, it might not work as you expect it to, but you can nevertheless still try. So let's go import this project and split this video into a number of short clips. Okay, we are importing video. You can see it's in progress. So while it's working on it, we will wait for it. And now you can see my video is imported. It says 11 minutes of credits will be used. That's fine. If caption language, if you want to change or keep the same. If you want to generate more accurate and better clips, you have options like video type, number of speakers, and more. Let's see what so here you can do some settings. So like whether content type is live stream, webinar, podcast, video details, anything if you want to change. For now we don't need to do, so we will just say generate clips, and let's see how it works. It's working. We wait while it's working. As I mentioned, you can take any videos from your local or from your YouTube channel or whatever the site is. So but this really depends on like out of the options that were mentioned in the previous slide or previous page, that okay, it does not recommend these types, so it might be having some problems if you have one of those types. As you can see, I had earlier 23 minutes, so now I have because this video is about 11 minutes, so I have only 12 minutes left. Then I need to either upgrade or wait for my next turn when I still get more credits or something like that. And you can see here it's in progress. You can rename the video if you want. Once the clips are generated, you can also delete it. So we will wait while it's working. It's 16% done, and there will be more progress as we are waiting. Yeah, so, and there are, you can see some get started guides, like you can use them. What's new in video.ai, what are the AI assistant capabilities, and things like that. Okay, so once it is ready, we can go into details. So for example, let me just show you the one of the previous videos which had generated the clips. So this is how it looks like, how many shots or short clips it generated. So these were about 7, and you can here change the settings into like landscape or portrait, and what are the, if there are like save templates, you can leverage them. You can go directly to different chapters, you can download them, or you can download one by one. I will show you in a second. So we go back, there's option custom clip, so you can create some clip from the transcript. This is, I think, very interesting feature that you can leverage as well. So let's go back, and here we see where we are. So how generative AI can enhance code debugging. I think it is done. Let's see. So you can see once again how generative AI can enhance code debugging. This was video, and you can see this is my YouTube channel, and here you have those clips, right? So at the bottom, so let me move this a little bit up so you can see it. You have like option to share description and transcript templates if you want to use, more options like rename and delete, or if you don't like the clip, you can edit it. So let's see, we have the first one, this, and I think it gives them kind of score like in terms of relevancy, or like the best clips, something like that. I need to figure that, like what is the value. I have not read in details, because my purpose is take a video and bring it down into clips, and then I go one by one each clip to see, okay, which one looks great and which one doesn't. So the one which are good for me, then I can use them, and the other one I either edit or ignore them. Yeah. So let's see what does we have in the
Number 7. Developers can describe a problem in natural language, and AI can interpret this to provide relevant debugging suggestions or code snippets. How cool is that?
Yeah, so you can see this is just 10 second, and it is describing one of the um, facts or one of the things that I've explained in the video. Another one we can try. Okay.
Number two, suggesting fixes. Once an error is detected, generative AI can suggest potential fixes. For instance, if the AI identifies a common null pointer exception, it can suggest checks or modifications to prevent the application from crashing. I think this could be really useful because instead of finding out that your application crashes,
I think this is very interesting because you can see this is like 53 seconds, right? The first one was 10 seconds, and you also see the timeline, like in your original video, from which point to which point it is breaking it into this clip, right? And you can see which one you like, which one you want to change. It And don't worry about the numbering, because like you heard first number 7, then number 2, because in the video I had 1, 2 and up till 10 or 11 or 12, whatever that number was. I think it was 11, as you can see here. But let's go have a look at another one. So this one,
learning from code repositories. Number 8, AI can analyze vast.
this is, you see, number 8 and 30 second. So you can see all of them are here, and then just go through each of them and you can download. Sorry. Okay. And it will be downloaded in my local repository. So this is all what I wanted to share. So this is running in the background. You can see the notification here, and then I can pick and choose which clip I want to share on which of the different mediums, like TikTok, Shorts, Instagram, Facebook Reels, or whatever. Yeah. So I hope this video helps you to use this tool to break your content into short clips, short reels, so you don't have to redo those clips, right? So you make just one video and then use this tool or some other similar tool to divide those clips into short clips, your original videos into short reels or shorts, YouTube shorts, which you can share on different platforms. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments if you need any further help, or if you have any further comments. Have fun. Bye for now.